Glowing star, welcome back, travel enthusiasts. Join us on an extraordinary adventure through Croatia. A land of thousands of miles of stunning coastline, crystal clear blue waters, and a myriad of historic old towns and islands. Croatia won in this ultimate travel guide. We're uncovering 12 super useful and off-the-beaten-path places you must explore on your Croatian journey. Castle, discover the crown jewel of Croatia, Dubrovnik, with its distinctive old town encircled by massive stone walls. Dive into centuries-old buildings like the Franciscan Monastery and capture breathtaking views atop ancient city walls. Classical building, journey to Pula, Croatia's largest city in Istria, with its Roman-inspired architecture and iconic Roman amphitheater. Explore the picturesque town of Rovinj, boasting a stunning cathedral and a lively fishing port. Beach with umbrella, experience the unique beauty of Bar, a beach town with the clearest blue sea you'll ever see. Climb up to the town fortress for panoramic views and indulge in exquisite seafood delights. National Park, immerse yourself in nature's marvel, Plitvice Lakes National Park, with its cascading waterfalls and serene lakes. Take a boat trip to Visovac Monastery, surrounded by cypress trees and offering unparalleled tranquility. Cityscape, wander through the charming town of Novigrad, nestled at the northern tip of the Istrian Peninsula. Enjoy its historic old town, connected to the mainland by a small peninsula. Castle, embark on an adventure to Trogir, a tiny island town bursting with narrow, ancient streets and medieval townhouses. Explore the lively seafront promenade and immerse yourself in its rich history. Hibiscus, discover Split, the Mediterranean flower, with its stunning Roman architecture and vibrant coastal atmosphere. Unravel, the beauty of Diocletian's Palace, a small city within the city. Desert Island, set sail to Mljet, Croatia's green oasis, known for its untouched beauty and lush national park. Enjoy the car-free island and revel in the natural splendor. National Park, dive into the enigmatic island of Vis, once closed to foreigners, now a hidden gem of tranquility and seclusion. Explore its hidden coves and crystal-clear waters for a true adventure. Desert Island, venture to the captivating island of Silba, where time stands still, and serenity embraces your soul. Unwind on its secluded beach, reachable only by a narrow path. Beach with umbrella, explore the golden beaches of Zlatni Rat in Bol, a unique horn-shaped peninsula jutting out into the sea. Experience the thrill of windsurfing and soak up the Mediterranean sun. Classical buildings, step into the ancient world of Salona, an archaeological site near Split, and walk among the ruins of a once flourishing Roman city. Discover its amphitheater, basilicas, and thermal baths. Castle, traverse the enchanting streets of Šibenik, a coastal gem adorned with historic forts, cathedrals, and charming squares. Don't miss the remarkable St. James Cathedral, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. National Park, delve into the natural wonders of Krka National Park, a paradise of cascading waterfalls and lush greenery. Wander along wooden pathways to Skradinsky Buk, a spectacular waterfall oasis. Desert Island, discover the hidden charm of Korčula, an island known for its vineyards, olive groves, and medieval towns. Stroll through the fortified walls of Korčula Old Town and soak in its captivating ambiance. Castle, uncover the ancient secrets of Ston, a fortified town famous for its impressive defensive walls, salt pans, and delectable oysters. Enjoy panoramic views from the Ston walls, stretching for 5 kilometers. Join us as we unveil Croatia's lesser-known treasures and provide you with valuable travel tips for a remarkable experience. Hit that like button to support the channel and subscribe for more insightful travel guides. Globe Bell, let your wanderlust guide you to Croatia's unforgettable destinations. Safe travels and peace to all explorers. Milky Way 1.